After registering the fresh FIR against actress Gehenna Vashisht and 3 producers of Raj Kundra's company in the infamous pornography case, Mumbai Police has now reportedly transferred the case to the property cell of Mumbai Police Crime Branch. The case was registered at Malwani Police Station a couple of days back. While also known as Vandana Tiwari, Gehenna Vashisht got arrested in the month of February for her alleged role in the porn video racket. She is currently out on bail. Meanwhile, after the arrest of Raj Kundra in pornography case, actress Gehenna Vashisht is already in trouble as one of the victims in her statement to the police has named Gehenna for forcing her to shoot obscene videos. The victim, who aged 20 years and had been working in Hindi and Marathi serials since 2016, in her statement said she was offered a web series that was to be made by Gehenna Vashisht. In her statement, she told that after the shooting was commenced, she felt uncomfortable and refused to do so. But Gehenna threatened her and forcefully took her to shoot the film. The victim said, "She told me that they had spent rupees 10 lakh for the shoot of the series and if I left, I would have to pay them 10 lakh compensation." She further added, "Once the shoot was done, I pleaded to Gehenna to let me go, but she threatened and warned me to not speak about this shoot to anyone nor go to the police, or there would be dire consequences." On the other hand, since the arrest of Raj Kundra, Gehenna has been supporting him and even issued a video statement a few days back on E-Times, stating that the erotica or bold content should not be mixed up with porn.
मेरी सबसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज बोल्ड को, एरोटिका को पॉर्न के साथ मिक्स ना किया जाए, क्योंकि हम दोनों के सेम सीआर हैं, सेम केस पे अरेस्ट हुआ है। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि मुझे पता है कि क्या बन रहा था। मैंने खुद राज कुंद्रा की ऐप में जो 3 फिल्म में उसमें एज ए हीरोइन काम किया है। मुझे राज ने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया। मुझे वही पेमेंट दी गई जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी, जिसके लायक थी मैं, और मुझे उससे कोई इशू नहीं था। ठीक है, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था। मुझे कभी सेट पे कोई परेशानी नहीं की गई। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है और बहुत अच्छे से फिल्म रिलीज की है। कोई भी फिल्म पॉर्न नहीं है।
Talking about Raj Kundra, a 45-year-old businessman is currently under 14 years of judicial custody and cops are maintaining that they have sufficient evidence against him and appear to be a key conspirator in the whole case.